Okay, so this last piece that I thought I'd do a recording on has to do with the test. It's not due until the 11th, and it's not that long. It's only 150 words to 200 words that I'm looking for. But you are going to do an amateur. You are not professional psychologists. And I told you you're not going to be psychoanalyzing and you're not going to be doing group therapy on each other. The Grinch. So I've got a clip here from How the Grinch Stole Christmas, and I would like you to analyze his personality and behavior, and from a psychological perspective that you have learned about a little bit. And so you've had videos, you've had readings, we have gone over it a little bit, but you can take any of the ones that we've done. We've looked at structuralism, Gestalt, functionalism. Some of these, kind of gone the way of the wind. We've looked at Freud and his psychoanalysis, behaviorism, humanistic psychology. We've got a couple others that are on the list there too for your vocabulary. And just to give you a couple ideas of some of the things that we've been talking about here. And so you need to make it uber clear. You need to state which one it is, and you need to take some of the big pieces of it. Like here's one of the foundational pieces of Gestalt. Here's one of the, here's the foundational piece of humanistic psychology, humanistic perspective. And this is what I'm going with. You can use any of them. Do not do a hybrid. And really say this is how, whether you kind of would, if you were a psychologist, you would go with that or not, but just say, or why you think that that's what it is. No, any of them can be used. But go with one, stick with it, and really say, this is, from this perspective, this is how I'm going with the Grinch, and this is how I'm analyzing it. All right? There you go, folks. Analyze Mr. Grinch himself.